Hello besties, welcome once again to this channel, Christie's Up channel. Today let's see how to completely uninstall an app from our phone. I mean 100% uninstallation. The normal way we do uninstall an app on our phone is simply by clicking on the app on your phone, then you uninstall it. So we simply click on the app and uninstall it. For example, this one, uninstall. Okay, so you feel you might have deleted that app, but it's not completely deleted 100%. So let's go and check if I'm correct. You go to your Play Store, click on your profile picture, click on Manage App on Devices. So here you see Update All, and here you see Details. Click on Manage. Take it to Manage. So these are the different apps on my phone. But the app we just deleted just now, let me show you where it is. Click on this device. Not installed. So this is the app I just deleted just now on my phone. You can see it's still on my phone. So to completely delete it from your phone, you simply click on check those boxes at the front of the apps. And you check it, then you now click on delete on top of your phone at the top right hand corner. It's asking you to remove selected app. Click on remove, and they are completely removed. So this is simply how to uninstall an app from your phone if you don't find need using the app any longer. That is a simple step in uninstalling an app from your phone completely 100%. I hope this video is useful to us. Thank you very much, and this is the end of our video for today. If you find value watching this video, kindly hit on the subscription button to get subscribed. Hit on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video, and the like button to like this video so others can view it. Hit on the share to share with family and friends, and hit on the comment section to give me a nice comment. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Thank you very much for always engaging with our videos on this channel. To all returning subscribers, God bless you. And if you have not yet subscribed, welcome to this wonderful family. See you in our next video. This is a goodbye.